avoiding dangers from solvents. Solvents dissolve other substances. They are used in industries and at home. Two types of solvents. Water-based solvents contain water. Examples: acids, alkalis, detergents. Organic solvents contain carbon. Examples: acetone, trichloroethylene, gasoline, toluene. Organic solvents evaporate easily, especially when heated. Solvents can be dangerous. Effects depend on the solvent, concentration, exposure time, and health. Solvents enter the body through inhalation or skin contact. When inhaled, solvents enter the bloodstream quickly. They spread, causing dizziness, headaches, and unconsciousness. They affect coordination and judgment, damaging the nervous system. Short-term inhalation irritates the nose, throat, eyes, and lungs. Long-term exposure harms the liver, kidneys, blood, and digestive system. Some solvents are linked to cancer. Smell warns of risks. A strong odor doesn't always mean higher toxicity. Always check labels and warnings before use. Solvents can irritate skin or be absorbed. Skin oils don't protect against solvents. Exposure can cause dermatitis. Dermatitis causes painful cracks that allow bacteria or viruses to enter. Solvents like phenol can damage the skin. Others may cause allergic reactions after repeated exposure. Solvents can be absorbed through the skin. Chlorinated solvents are non-flammable, but their vapors are toxic. Non-chlorinated solvents are flammable, posing fire risks. Excessive exposure to non-chlorinated solvents harms the liver and kidneys. In summary, minimize exposure. Use gloves, protective creams, and ensure ventilation. Wear respiratory protection when necessary. Take precautions, and you can work safely with solvents.